I cannot imagine my house without my 2 dogs and the Oriental rug. Oriental rug bring a joy to the house. Decorate the house, make the boring floor as a piece of artwork. This is a beautiful piece on the floor, and it can last forever if you clean it the right way. Cleaning the Oriental rug by using the Dead Sea Cleaner, odor-free, organic, so your kids, your pets, you can lay it on the rug. You know it's clean without any chemicals. It clean naturally. Allow me to show you a revolutionary cleaning process invented here in the United States, in the great America, and provide a service worldwide to everybody that having a beautiful Oriental rug and concern when I ship the rug to clean in some other place, how the rug will come back to me. It is going to be clean, no fuzziness, and no color run? Yes. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. Enjoy the video.
on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.